Let's solve the no module named numpy error in Python. I'm going to show you how to do this with both a sample.py script on my desktop as well as a PyCharm project. The first thing I want you to do is open up a command prompt if you're in Windows, a command line if you're in Mac, or a terminal if you're in Ubuntu. And then just type Python. This should initiate a Python command line where you can run simple Python commands. If these are working for you, you're already in good hands. If not, you have bigger issues to take care of before you continue this tutorial. Try doing that import command again, and if you're getting this error, that means that the package numpy is not installed on your computer. So we need to install it. Go ahead and exit out of the command prompt or line that you're in. From here, you need to do pip3 install numpy. Pip3 is the package manager, and that'll bring the numpy package onto your system. If you get an error while calling pip3, then try using just pip. The older versions of Python will only use pip, whereas the new versions of Python will use pip3. You can see the package successfully installed. I can go ahead and run my sample.py script, and I'm going to get no error this time, and I get my output as expected. However, if we try to run the PyCharm project, we're still getting an error. That's because PyCharm projects use virtual environments. Click Terminal down here on the menu, and you'll see that we're in a virtual environment. We need to install numpy to this virtual environment. pip3 install numpy. Once the package has installed, go ahead and click Run, and then Run again, and this script will run without errors. And that's the simple fix. If you're still having issues, you likely have larger problems on your system. I have some other videos linked in the description that can help you out. Otherwise, I might recommend doing a full uninstall and reinstall of Python.